about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。今天来教一个不一样的，好了，也是实用的哦。
好，
讲到这个会觉得很痛苦，但其实呢，应该多多读书的。
对，
书。
好，书，很多书。
书 Okay, we're going to teach people how to say things related to books, all right, whether you like it or not. But reading is actually a good thing. So book, 书 Okay, that's a book. Now to read a book, 看书
读书
All right, 其实大家如果一个礼拜可以看一本书，这是很好的事情 OK, 所以我一周呢会读一本书
我一礼拜读一本书
我一礼拜讀一本書 Okay, 讀 that means reading a book, okay? That means I'll read a book each week. 有的时候呢，我们要借书那借书去哪里呢？图书馆会借书，对不对？Borrow a book, okay? 借书。
家书。
家书 all right? 家書 that's borrowing a book. 我去图书馆借书。
我去圖書館借書。
我去圖書館借書。all right? 圖書館就是
图书馆
library. Okay, that's what it means. I go to the library to borrow some books. And in Taiwan, a lot of bookstores are actually open 24 hours. 所以有的时候呢，我们去书店去逛逛因为台湾还有那种24小时的书店，很棒，对不对？
对呀，全天候开着，让你来。
Yeah, exactly. So let's teach you how to say a bookstore. 书店。
书店。
书店 Okay, that's a bookstore. 周末的时候呢，去书店逛逛。
拜六去书店。姥姥啊，
姥啊，我不老，看书不老啊，我也不是姥姥啊，
我没有说你是姥姥啦，
那是不是姥姥啊？
我说是逛逛啊。
Oh, really? Strolling around, 逛逛是姥姥啊？我怎么记得是 on gay 嘞？
那是逛街啦，也有人说逛逛嘛，我们说逛逛也可以讲 on 啊
on 啊 OK. And finally, how about a book bag? 书包，尤其是台湾学生，很多人要
背书
包 Yes, okay, a book bag.
书包。
Let's teach people how to say, my book bag is black. All right, 我的书包是黑色的。
我的書包係無色嘅。
烏索索的膚色嘅。All right, 我的書包係無色嘅。真的，看書呢是有益的
對，
多看看書，多聽聽廣播。好，That does it for today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰？張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.